Eliminex here. We're doing a roof line inspection, and you can see like along this drip edge. This one doesn't really have much of a drip edge gap, but there's actual holes and natural gaps throughout under the shingles. There's a few holes along the fascia board above the gutters, and you can actually see actual holes chewed through. So there's a lot of natural gaps, and the shingles are kind of shredded from the trees rubbing against it. The wrap came off on this side. We don't see any physical damage to the roof itself, but there's rodents getting into the house throughout the whole house. House isn't that big, but they can get through these corner moldings. They're hollow on the bottom. They can go right up into the attic. And once they're in the attic, they can go throughout the whole house structure inside the framework. You can see that gap right there. That's right behind the gutter. That goes right into the attic. And I guess the wrap job, they could have put more metal, extended it more further, but they left it one gap there. So, stuff like that. It's always a mystery in the beginning until you have some experience. Something blew off the roof here. Put this aside. It came at nighttime. He's telling me how the rats are burrowing underneath the porch, the patio, and he's filling it with concrete, and they're just chewing right into the patch job he did. See the patch? They chewed right into that concrete. So rats are capable of doing that, and these are dogs that are digging. See the brick? This is a brick. He said he's flat. They somehow chewed through the side and went in there. So he's asked what's end.